Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows the scanning of the urinary bladder, and you will see the enlarged prostate as well as a vesical mass. The ultrasound scanning of the urinary bladder looks to be simple, but sometimes it is tricky to find all the findings. You can see this is urinary bladder and this one is the catheter. Now this is the catheter. An ultrasound scan is used to show how if a growth is present and how large it is. Ultrasound cannot always find small tumors, so additional tests may be required. Ultrasound scan with the full bladder are mandatory to see all the findings. Now you can see the prostate, the enlarged prostate gland as well as a mass. Tumors can either be benign or cancerous. Bladder cancer or bladder tumors are relatively common, and most bladder tumors are cancerous. One of the basic abdominal organs that are assessed during abdominal ultrasound examination is the urinary bladder. The bladder must be filled with urine. This is a prerequisite for a reliable assessment and at the same time an acoustic window in examination of the adjacent structures and organs. For instance, the prostate gland and the female genital tracts. They can be best visualized when the bladder is full. Sonography enables detection of 95% of exophytic lesions within the urinary bladder with the diameter exceeding 5 mm. Mostly it is carcinoma of the urinary bladder due to its malignant character and the need for aggressive surgical treatment. A correct diagnosis of this disease is essential for patients as the lack of adequate treatment and delayed treatment considerably affects the prognosis. Now you can see the urinary bladder, the prostate and a vesical mass. High-grade bladder cancer is likely to grow and spread quickly and become life-threatening. High-grade cancers often need to be treated with chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or surgery. Low-grade cancers appear non-aggressive and have a low chance of becoming high-grade. Now you can clearly see the vesical mass, and this mass has is semi-solid to solid in consistency, looks to be rectangular in shape, and originating from the left lateral wall of the urine-filled urinary bladder, and this mass lies behind the part of the prostate that is protruding into the urinary bladder, so it is tricky to localize it. A significant blood flow is also seen. Bladder ultrasound can show how much the urine in the bladder is present when it is full and whether someone completely empties the bladder when urinating. Bladder ultrasound is often done along with the ultrasound of the kidneys. Now you can see the mass and the enlarged prostate. The prostate gland surrounds the urethra, the tube through which the urine passes out of the body. An enlarged prostate means the gland has grown bigger in size. Prostate enlargement happens to almost all men as they get older. An enlarged prostate, often called benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Now you will see the measurement of the prostate gland. Conditions that can lead to symptoms similar to those caused by enlarged prostate include urinary tract infection, inflammation of the prostate, prostatitis, narrowing of the urethra, urethral stricture. The normal prostate gland has measures about 3 into 3 into 5 centimeter approximately, with a volume of 25 to 30 ml. Benign prostatic hyperplasia is enlargement of the prostate, a common condition among men over 45 years of age. Other tests such as the urine flow study, digital rectal examination, prostatic specific antigen PSA, blood test, cystoscopy, ultrasound, and prostatic MRI may be used to confirm the diagnosis. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.